I was trying to avoid news today, but the news just spoiled everything for me. So this is my daily trade for today. I woke up and I was like analyzing this 9:59. I was analyzing my chart, checking my structure, my zone, where to buy or sell. If I'm to buy or sell. So finally, price now started giving me some kind of confirmation, which I'm drawing now. So I draw the line. This is just like double bottom. I draw my fair value gap. So this is what I drawed and analyze my chart now, and I'm waiting for an opportunity for price to come inside. And as you can see now, price is now coming inside that zone to retest it. Then I'll now buy. So as I was planning to buy, doing everything, I was also checking some charts too, checking some time frame, some hour time frame daily to check if it allow me to buy or sell. So finally, this is where I took my entry. So my entry was around this area. So if you look at this descending line, that blue line, that is where price moved on. So I just draw my line there. So I was now there is a fair value gap. I used to confirm that entry in that angle. I did not just enter because price show me this. There is a fair value gap around that side. So I'm planning to enter this trade now. So I've already drawn my line. I'm just waiting for a small retest. Then I'll enter. So this trade now, I am already in this trade. So look at the price has started coming down a little, as you can see. So price has it started coming down a little. So I was now waiting to buy. But as I was waiting, there was news. There is a news, and that news now, I'm just that news was I think around 1:30. So I'm in this trade now. I've already entered the trade. The trade and started moving on, and my zone was correct. Everything was correct. So look at the news. So look at where I entered this trade from. As you can see, trade has started moving in our favor. In our favor, trade has started moving, going up. We predict buy. The trade has started going, giving a little profit. So it's like how many cents? This one 42, 45 cents. This one 20 something cents. So we are just happy that we made a right entry. So as we are going, as the trade is going, we are still watching out for time because of the news that is coming around 1:30. So the news now was like disturbing me because I was scared of that news because I've not traded news before. So I was learning. So I was just looking at the price is now moving up and down, but it hasn't broke that low or stop us out. So and the time was going to check now. The time is 11:36. So look at it. So I was just patient waiting for the market to give me a little profit, maybe before that 1 o'clock, so that I can just move out of the market. So I was waiting peacefully, patiently. I was waiting. So now, if you look at this chart now, the time is already 12. So I was just like afraid of the news. So I just want to take, even though it's 1 cent, 2 cents, even not up to $1 because of the news. I don't want the news to stop me out. But look at what happened here now. I was waiting for price to go move up a little and give me small profit so that I can just move out of the trade and take that little cents, even though it's not up to $1 something. So our price is doing here now. This one 7 cents, 4 cents, now the other one 25 cents. So this is where price was when I step out, when I took profit and just move out of the market because of the news that is coming. So now I just so this is my line of where I move out from the market. As I draw this line, I went to move out from the market because it has started giving me a little profit now. So this is it now. I've already moved up from the top market. So if you look at the Euro USD, the two last one, that is where I move out from. So later on, look at my that line that I draw. Price later move up and even give me profit. But the news has started now. Look at market has started coming down. So that this is the news I was afraid of. But what I later learned today, the news wasn't against me. Self. I was scared of that news, but the news wasn't against me because the news came. The news did not even break my structure, and because of my scare or because of my fear, I was like I lose the trade because of my fear. I lost the trade because my structure was correct, and I thought that maybe news, when news is against you, it will go down. So I now the news now finished. This 219. So now I now enter the trade now. I now enter a new one with a new stop loss, which my first trade is still there, but I've already taken profit from that one. So this is the new one I enter now. So price has started moving in my direction now and giving me profit. Look at it. If you notice this green zone, that is the first one is the main one. Then this new one now moving up is the new one I enter. So as you can see, the first one is below, but I've already gone out of that trade. I've already taken those 2 cents. But this one now is moving peacefully, giving a little profit. But if you check here now, it's still moving here. As you can see from here now, this is where I enter the new one with that green. This is the new one. This is the old one which I enter now. So I enter with this fair value gap. This is the new one, and price has been moving up. So let's watch and see what happened at last. Something really happened, and it's really I was just very angry because what happened, but at least I learned something from what just happened. So let's watch and see how price move now. As the price is still moving, the blue line above is my first TP. The main red line at the top is my second TP. So price is still moving, giving us hope and confidence. Price is moving to show that our zone is correct. So look at it. Price is still moving up peacefully. So this is it now. So look at it. Price move nearly close to my first TP. So I was like, wow, my prediction was correct. I escaped the news. On the temptation, I escaped the news. So price was still rejecting there. Price was still rejecting there. I was very close to hit my first take profit. Okay, if you look at the chart from where I buy, price started moving up. Altogether now it's giving me 2.90 something dollar, up to $3 now, 3 point something dollar now. So this year the price has started going down now. Price dropped down strongly from my zone. Price moved down now. So I was like, what's up now? What's wrong again? But I still maintain my zone now. I was just saying, the price will not break my zone. So finally, price hits our stop loss today. If you look at my entry for today, lost. So as you can see now, the first one at the top is those one that I tap out. So the other ones, that is the one that stop me out. So if you look at my first entry, price did not even stop me out from my first entry. Look at it, this is my first entry. price did not even come there. This is the entry that I was scared of, and I took all those cents and I went out of the market. This is the second entry where price come and sweep me and cut. I started moving towards our direction now. And price moved till it reached the top. So that was it though. Today was the news scared me and I lost that trade. I lost it. Both in Great Britain, so the same thing happened in Great Britain, USD. So that is it. But at least I learned something today. So my first zone was correct. It's the second zone that I made a mistake. I was scared of the news, but at least I learned something today.